Now for chapter 7, buying. So the first question is definition and differentiation. Differentiation. So A is manufacturers. So these are the business or individuals that produce goods and from raw materials using labor, machines, or technology. They are responsible for creating finished products that are later distributed and sold in the market. Manufacturers often supply goods in bulk to wholesaler or directly to retailers. And B is wholesaler. So a wholesaler buy large quantities of goods from manufacturers and sell them in a bulk to retailers, businesses, or other wholesalers. They serve they serve as intermediaries by breaking down bulk quantities into smaller or more manageable lots for resellers. So they generally do not sell directly to individual consumers. And C is retailers. So retailers purchase goods from wholesalers or manufacturers and sell them directly to end consumers. So they operate physical stores, e-commerce platform, or other retail channels. Retailers provide convenience by offering products in smaller quantities suitable for individual use. And D is indirect consumers. So these are consumers who purchase goods not for their direct use but for resale, modification, or production of other products. Businesses that buys raw materials or semi-finished goods to create new products before selling to end users are considered indirect consumers. E is direct consumers, so these are individuals or entities that purchase goods or services for their own use rather than resale. Unlike indirect consumers, direct consumers buy products in their final form and use them for personal or business consumption. Differentiation on the key difference lies in their roles in the supply chain. Manufacturers create products, wholesalers distribute them in bulk, retailers sell them to end users, and consumer direct or indirect use or further process the goods. Indirect consumers transform goods before reselling, while direct consumers use the product as is. So the types of shipping terms. So A is FOB or free on board. The seller is responsible for delivering the goods to the shipping port, and the buyer takes responsibilities once the shipment is on the board the vessel. The buyer bears the transportation risk and cost beyond this point. B is CIF or cost insurance and freight. So the seller covers the cost, insurance, and freight to the destination port. However, once the goods arrive, the buyer takes responsibilities for unloading and customs clearance. EXW or X works. So the buyer bears all costs and risk from the seller's warehouse to the final destination. The seller only responsibility is to make the goods available for pickup. D is DDP or delivered duty paid. The seller assumes full responsibility for transportation, import duties, and delivery to the buyer's location, ensuring a hassle-free transaction for the buyer. E is FCA or freight carrier. So the seller delivers the goods to a carrier chosen by the buyers and at a specified location. The buyers takes responsibilities from the point forward. So F is CPP or carriage paid to, or the seller covers the transportation cost to a specified destination, but the buyers assumed that the risk once the goods are handed over to the carrier. So each shipping term determines the point at which responsibilities and costs shifts from the seller to the buyer, helping businesses manage risk and logistics efficiently. Three Number three is the single versus series discount. So single discounts, a one-time percentage discount applied directly to the price of the product or services. It's straightforward and easy to calculate. Series discounts, a sequence of multiple percentage discounts applied successively instead of adding the discounts together. Each discount is applied to the remaining balance after the previous discounts is deducted. Purpose of discounts. Businesses use these discounts to attract customers, clear inventory, or encourage bulk purchases. Series discounts are often used in wholesale transactions to encourage larger orders. So sample problem. So A is single discounts problem. So a store offers a 15% discount on a television priced at 1,200 pesos. How much does the customers pay after the discount? So solution would be discount is equal to 15% of 1,200, or 0.15 times 1,200 is equal to 180 pesos. So the final price would be equal to 1,200 minus 180 is equal to 1,020. So by series discount problems, as wholesaler gives a 10% and 5% series discounts on a product priced at 2,000. So what is the final price after the discount, after both discounts? So first discount would be 10% of 2,000. So 0.10 times 2,000, it would be the 200. So the new price would be 2,000. 2,000 minus 200 equals 1,800. So the second discount would be 5% of 1,800 would be equal to 0.05 times 1,800 would be 90 pesos. So the final price would be 1,800 minus 90 pesos would be 1,710 pesos. So the key difference is a single discount is applied once, making it simple. A series discount applies multiple times, each time on the reduced amounts, leading to a slightly different final price than adding the percentages together. So that would be it. Thank you.